So robotics is not just about building robots. You get to learn all different processes and all different applications.
This year, the robotics class has been discussing all the different components that it takes to build a robot.
Recently, we've been working a lot with manufacturing purposes. I never really thought of how much opportunity there is in that field, especially with the broadness of different topics you learn from electrical and programming.
So the first part of the year was more the mechanical side of it. So we made stuff using Vex parts, which is gears and levers and all that.
Not only do you learn so much about the technical skills that you need to advance in a career like engineering or anything in the STEM field, but it's a lot of fun because it's a lot of networking as well.
This year there have been a lot of times where we've gotten to talk to engineering experts, which I think is really cool. They bring in, I'd probably say at least once a quarter.
We've talked to engineers that came from Boston. We've talked to some that came from Colorado, aerospace engineers. And if you are looking into reaching specific companies, you have a direct pathway to go into those.
Some of the programs that we've been trained on has been Onshape/CAD, which is used to 3D model different parts. And then most recently, we've been using Fluid Sim.
Yeah, there's a few certifications that you can get. One of them being Onshape certification, which is a CAD software, computer-aided design. There is also mechatronics certification and Onshape.
Being in this program allows me to build a foundation on my skills that I can carry into college and my job and future career.
As an aspiring engineer, I think it's a great way to carve my pathway going forward, and I would say it's definitely one of the most fun classes I've ever had.